Hello viewers, this is Syed Ataur Rahman from Syed Goat Farm. We are here again with yet another video on how deworming is to be carried out. The contents of this video would be identifying the need for deworming, why we have to carry out a deworming. Second is how a dewormer is selected, what are the criteria for selecting a dewormer. Next, the procedure, how it is to be followed by few tips which will make your deworming effective. And the video ends with a demonstration what we do at our farm. So let's get started with the contents of the presentation. Deworming at our farm is done in two modes. One is time-based mode, wherein we do it once in 60 days. Another one is condition-based. Suppose within 60 days you find some conditions like there are worms found in the excreta of the goats, or the average daily gain is not meeting our basic requirement, then we take a call of deworming. There are few indicators for condition-based deworming. Like the first one is like what I said. You'll find worms in the excreta of the animal. The tiny white patches which you are seeing in the first photographs are worms. And the second indicator is the average daily gain chart. This is our 2020 chart. What we are doing on our fattening goats. You can see there are two conditions wherein the average daily gain is deteriorating. Like we discussed the same thing in our previous video also. There is the third one which is continuously reducing in weight. It was 190 grams per day on 9th of March, and on 15th of May it has reduced to 42 grams per day. So we identify such low performers from the flock and take them separate and do deworming. When we go into the basics of parasitology, there are a lot of there are many kinds of worms which are residing inside an animal. The challenging part of deworming is we have to select a dewormer which is effective on many of these worms. We call this as a broad spectrum dewormer, which means this dewormer will be effective on majority of these worms which we have classified here. A second important criteria in selecting a dewormer is it has to be safe on pregnant goats, which means it should not lead to any abortions. At our farm we use these two dewormers. The first one is Fentas Plus. It is in liquid form, manufactured by Intas. Yes, it is a broad spectrum dewormer, and also it is safe on pregnant goats. The second one is Panacure. It's in a tablet form. Panacure is also a broad spectrum dewormer and is safe on pregnant goats. This is the most important part of our presentation, the procedure part. Before we administer a dewormer into an animal's body, we ensure that the rumen is empty, which means we keep the animal on a starving mode for 8 to 10 hours. The first step in deworming is weighing a goat and recording the data. Weighing is important because that will decide how much quantity of deworming is to be administered. And the second step here is dosage extraction into a syringe. The checkpoints here which are to be taken care is the syringe which you select should be a new one. The measuring indication should be very clear on that, so that the dosage when you extract, it is exact as per requirement. The third and the final step is oral drenching, which is also called as administering. The checkpoint here is the position where you administer is on the side of the jaw. There is a clear passage available there so that the drug easily moves into the animal's body. These are the three major steps, and post oral drenching you have to again keep the animal on starving mode for 4 more hours. These are few tips to make the deworming procedure effective. The first one is pre and post starving. This is a must. The second one is weighing, because the weighing decides how much drug is to be administered. Any under or overdose will make the deworming ineffective. The third is administration procedure. You can see in the image here there is a space available at the side of the jaw from where you can insert the syringe and dose the animal. The fourth important tip is 2 days after deworming, You run a course of liver tonic for 5 days. This will help in increasing the liver function, and thereby the body weight of the animal increases. This is a demonstration video. We'll show you how deworming is done. We have selected two goats here. This is the first one. Uh, First it is made to stand on the weighing scale and the weight is noted. You can see one more procedure here. We have taken the medicine into a separate smaller container and then we are extracting it into a syringe. This will ensure that your main medicine container is not contaminated and hygiene is maintained in the whole procedure. You can see here the oral drenching is done from the side of the jaw where it is easier to insert and then push in the medicine. This has to be gradually pushed in, and the same procedure is repeated for the second goat also. This one is a beetle buckling born at our farm. He is around 21 kgs now, and we administered 7 ml Fentas Plus into him. So this was all for today. Thank you viewers for watching our video.